Welcome to gWorks Operations Hub, the comprehensive work management system designed to streamline your agency's operations. With Operations Hub, you can easily create and manage work orders to track work done in your community. Whether it's a 311 service request from front desk, a work order generated from Utility Billing Hub, or a task entered directly by your team, all work orders can be managed from a single, centralized platform. In the main dashboard, you have full control and visibility over all your work orders, with easy sorting and filtering capabilities to find the information you need. If you need to create a new work order, you can do so in a few simple steps. Simply enter general information, give it a priority, and assign it to a team member. Once assigned, they'll receive a notification. You can also set recurring work orders for repeating activities. Whether it's a yearly inspection, monthly maintenance, or any other recurring task, Operations Hub takes care of generating those work orders for you automatically. Work orders can consist of multiple tasks, each with its own description, assignee, and status, ensuring that every step is completed before marking them as finished. Sometimes work orders are directly related to specific assets like fire hydrants, service locations, or curb stops. With Operations Hub, you can easily associate assets, ensuring that you have all the necessary information. You can also add attachments, whether it's photos, videos, or any other supporting documents. You can easily attach them for better documentation and clarity. Once created, you can view a detailed overview with all the necessary information in one place. When a job is done, simply mark the work order as complete. For additional configurability, Operations Hub gives you the ability to customize the information required for certain work orders, set custom attributes, tasks, and notification preferences for each type, ensuring you collect the right information every time. With gWorks Operations Hub, you'll have a unified system that seamlessly integrates with our other hubs to track and manage all work being done by your agency. Unlock the full potential of simplified work order management and experience the efficiency and control you need to drive your operations forward.